Hi, this is Miss B. I'm a librarian at Overton High School. I wish that we were together right now and I could show you around the library and you could select your favorite book to read. But since we can't be together right now, I'm going to show you how you can get books to read on your laptop, ebooks. The first thing you're going to do is go to limitlesslibraries.org, and mine shows up already in high school. If yours isn't there, you can click that. And then you're going to click on downloads and ebooks. And you're going to select Overdrive. And you can go ahead and log into your account. The way you log into your account is your library card is your 190 number. So I'm going to type. And your PIN is your month, day of your birth date. So if I was born June the 8th, it would be 0608. And I'm going to click sign in. Now that I'm signed in, I can just scroll down and look for any books that I might be interested in. You can also narrow your search by looking for subjects. You can look for collections, like I would like to see the most new teen editions. You can look and see what's there. If there's a book that you're interested in learning more about, you can click on it. Well, this one says there's a wait list, so I won't choose that one. Let's see, how about this one? And I can read the information about it. I could even read a sample. So this is the way you read the book online. You just scroll through and it just shows up right there on your laptop. So once you find a book that you think you would like to check out, you can see some say available and some say they're on hold. So oh look, and over here in the subjects you can pick. I like romance. Maybe you like fantasy. If I like romance, I'm going to click on that. And see, these say a wait list, so I'm going to have to find one that doesn't say wait list. Oh, The Mall. This one looks great. So I'll click on this one, and when I'm ready, I will just click on borrow. And I'll click borrow again. Oh, you can choose how long you like it, and we're going to read this in the browser. If you click read in the browser, it just shows up right here on your laptop, and you can read the book that way. So once I'm reading the book, once I'm reading the book, I'm clicking on links. Okay, I read for a while, and then I exit out. How do I find it again? I'm just going to go right back to Limitless Libraries. And I'm going to sign into my account and put my birth date and log in. And there's my book. So I can read it online again. When I'm ready, I can also return it. If you don't return it, it will automatically get returned at the end of the time that you had scheduled to check it out. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'm here to help. Happy reading.